Okay, so remove the blacks from game day. We're gonna open it up in Photoshop. Just use the rectangular marquee tool over here. Select the text. Make sure you have all the channels on, so all CMYK. Copy, go just to the black channel and paste. And go to the yellow channel, delete, magenta channel, delete, the cyan channel, and delete. And then go back to CMYK. And that will allow all the text to be there. It will allow the black to be darker than it otherwise would be. But it then removes the 4 color blacks that cause a problem at the press. All right, last one. Copy, paste, delete, delete, delete. I'm just gonna save it and place it on the page.